Hello folks, welcome to the channel. If you wish to enable full screen mode on Windows 11, then watch this video. So if I am opening a folder or any application and I want a full screen, then I will click on the F11 function key. Make sure that your function key mode is unlocked by pressing the function and the escape button. You'll find the function button between the control and the Windows key. So this is in now full screen mode. If I want to disable the full screen mode, I will click on F11 again. But suppose you're using a Microsoft Office app, say Word, I'm using Word here. It could be PowerPoint or Excel. So how do you then go to full screen? So you will click on focus here and you will click on escape. You'll find focus right at the bottom in the lower black bar. And this will work for any other app. Just press the F11 and press the F11 again, or press focus and escape. If this video helped you, then kindly subscribe to the channel. Enjoy your day.